Hello everyone, in this video I'll be doing a review of the Ortega street taco sauce in the Asada flavor, which is 3 chili and garlic. This is a new taco sauce that you can use on top of your tacos, and I've prepared here some delicious soft shell tacos with green pepper, red onion, jalapeno, and Tex-Mex cheese, and it's extra lean beef. I'm excited to try this sauce out because it's low calorie sauce. And in 1 tablespoon, there's only 5 calories, 2 carb with 1 sugar, 0.3 grams of protein, and 65 milligrams of sodium, 50 milligrams of potassium. Ingredients are water, tomato paste, onion, red jalapeno peppers, vinegar, roasted garlic, salt, cascabel peppers, chipotle peppers, xanthan gum, sodium benzoate, natural flavors, and yeast extract. Refrigerate after opening. So, excited to try this out. I love tacos. It's my favorite type of food, and taco sauce is kind of cool. I usually go with a taco sauce from any type of restaurant I go to. I love the taco sauce, so just trying to get this open here. Jeez, struggling. And I didn't get it off. I got the, there we go. Ooh, it smells good. It smells somewhat spicy. So I'm gonna add this onto a taco, eat it up, let you guys know what I think. And the bottle's hard to squeeze it out of. There we go. I'm gonna do 2 strips, 2 thick strips. All right, let's see how it is. Wish I could show you how it looks like on there, but I'm wrapping up the taco shell, so you can see the sauce inside there. Let's get into it. Oh, it's kind of oddly tastes like Chipotle. This isn't the Chipotle one, there is one. It's got a little bit of spice, 3 chilies. It's good flavor though, wow. So you taste like chilies in it. And it's got a bit of a garlic taste to it too. Just adding a little bit of garlic flavor paired with that nice little kick of heat. This is good, wow. It does, for some reason, taste like Chipotle sauce. I don't know why, but I dripped it all over my pants. Oh no. So yeah, that is delicious stuff right there. Street taco sauce, 3 chili and garlic. Really good. It adds a little bit of chili spice to it and garlic flavor. Overall, it kind of tastes like Chipotle for some reason, but I'll do a review of the Chipotle one as well soon. But for the Ortega street taco sauce, Asada, 3 chili garlic, I'd give this an 8.5 out of 10. It adds a lot to the taco without adding a lot of calories, and that's a big win for me. It's nice and lightly spicy, but also got a garlic taste to it. Super good. I love it. So yeah, Ortega street taco sauce. Big thumb up. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button below, and I'll see you in the next video.